back paw, leg, he like limps on it.
Yeah, I saw it in the video.
And then he also has, I didn't know anything about the milk, but he also has like balls right here. So,
Oh, dude.
and then the cats next door, they're very aggressive, even though they're fixed. I just don't want him to get beat up. And it's just...
Alex is getting the food, okay? Hi. I can leave it for you in the carrier. Sorry, I'm using your cooler. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. You might want to wrap him. Here. Here. Should I wrap his head?
Staying. Yes, it is.
No. Hey! No, 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 no. Hey. Hey, dude. It's okay. You're okay, mister. We want to help you. Come here. Come on. Hi. Here he goes. Perfect.
Got him.
I don't need a towel. Yeah, we do. Okay, you ready?
You ready for it? Here, all good?
I just want to, he's not fixed. I can smell it.
I can smell it too.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, you ready? I know. Okay. Go right in. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. He put up a run. It's okay, mister.
Relax.
Good boy. Yeah.
There we go.
You're a good boy.
You did it. Just relax now, okay? Hard part's over.
All right, sir. You put on a little chase for us, huh? We should have got the net from the jump. Yeah.
Okay, we'll bring it back next week.
We have a couple here that I just tossed them.
Yeah, any with the 272.
Oh, you don't look injured no more.